Most traders try to double small accounts by gambling, random entries, no structure, no risk control. Today, I'm going to show you how I turned $800 into $1,600 using one clean trend continuation setup. No indicators, no over trading, just structure, patience, and execution. And this trade was taken live inside our live trading program, where I analyze the market and give real-time signals as price evolves. Let's break it down. First thing is getting the bias. We are having support, and this is our higher low. Then we are getting this sharp move to the upside, creating a higher high. Then price is coming back down here to this level, creating a new higher low, then giving us another impulse to the upside, creating a new higher high. So by having these two impulsive moves, we have set our bias to a bullish bias, because we are having higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, and then lower highs. So that is our trend intact, and that is our bullish bias. Understanding the consolidation. So you're seeing here price created this resistance zone, and it is respecting this support zone here. So most traders start selling the top and then buying the bottom randomly. But for us, we wait, because liquidity builds during consolidation, stops collect below structure, and when liquidity is taken out and price reclaims structure, that's our entry model. Inside the live session, I told the members to wait for confirmation, no early entries, patience is our edge. So as price gave us this momentum push to the upside, I told my members to take our buy from that point. Our stop loss was below here. Then our take profit, we got it around this zone here as our take profit. So that was the trade I called London session. So if you want to join, come and take these trades together. See you in the next one. See you tomorrow.